You gotta dig down into the middle too. You have to get the side first right now. Oh, wow, it's a nice big one now. Oh, this one's big.
Oh, it's full basket.
Mhm.